Welcome back, guys. In this lecture, we are going to learn about Tails. Tails is another way to protect your privacy, and it's my personal favorite, and it's the best. So, what is Tails? The full form of Tails is the Amnesiac Incognito Live System. The Tails is an operating system built using Linux, and it mainly uses Tor to send any kind of traffic. It has almost all tools of the dark web pre-installed and can be used on a USB drive or a DVD drive on any computer. And when it is ejected, it deletes all the data stored or processed in the device, so it leaves no digital traces, and it's not possible to prove that Tails was used on a particular device. Let's wrap it up again, and this time in a very simple language. So basically, Tails is an operating system installed in a USB drive or a DVD drive, due to which it can be used on any device. You just need to plug in the USB or a DVD, and you get your own OS. Plus Tails does not write or store any kind of files in the computer. Everything is processed in the processing unit of the computer, by which I mean if you download any type of cookies or any type of files from the dark web, everything that you have downloaded is stored in the processing unit of the computer, not in the hard drive of the computer, due to which when the USB or DVD is plugged out, all the data into the computer related to Tails is permanently deleted. Even all the files stored in the USB or DVD drives which contain Tails are deleted. Due to which, as compared to using Tor on a desktop device, it is more safe to use Tor using Tails. And Tails is super safe. Like if you are using it on a device and you are attacked by a group of hackers, you just need to plug out the drive and your data as well as your device is safe from any kind of threat. In this course, as we are focusing more on the Tor browser and on the dark web of course, the further detailed guide about Tails, like installing it and its important settings, are not discussed here. But if you want me to update the course related to Tails, you can always write me in the Q&A forms or in the suggestions. Of course, your suggestions will be taken seriously, and we will try our best to satisfy you with this course. Thank you. That's it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we are leaving this theoretical stuff and moving further with the practical part. It's super fun, and we'll see you there. Thank you very much.